Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salsa sauce at home. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 4 to 5 ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. Don't forget your choice of chili peppers, perhaps 1 or 2 jalapenos, and a couple of garlic cloves. Having a food processor or a good knife will make preparation much easier. Now, let's prepare our ingredients. First, wash all your produce thoroughly. Roughly chop your 4 or 5 tomatoes, 1 onion, and your selected chili peppers. If you prefer a milder salsa, make sure to remove the seeds and white membranes from the peppers. Next, finely mince about 2 cloves of garlic and chop your fresh cilantro. These steps are crucial for building great flavor. It's time to bring everything together. Transfer all your chopped vegetables, garlic, and cilantro into a food processor or blender. Pulse the mixture about 3 to 5 times for a chunky, rustic salsa, or blend a bit longer if you prefer a smoother consistency. Then, add the juice of 1 fresh lime, about 1 teaspoon of salt, and a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors perfectly. Almost ready to enjoy? For the best flavor, let your salsa chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Once chilled, serve your delicious homemade salsa with your favorite crispy tortilla chips, or use it as a fantastic topping for tacos, eggs, or grilled meats. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.